going to be using the Karen Cotton Cake and the shade Seashell. And I'm using a 5.5 millimeter hook. I do recommend maybe using a 6, especially if you're just starting off with the stitch. Alright, going to start by making a slip knot. And we're going to be forming 6 clusters for this demonstration. And you're going to want to do, these are how you're going to do your clusters. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to do a double crochet into our first chain. So yarn over, that's our first. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into our first. And so what I like about this pattern is you don't have to count stitches, you end in a cluster. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to be a 1 row repeat. So we have 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go to the first chain. So now we have 4. 3. And then 1, 2, 3. This will be our last. We're going to do 6. And then we're going to chain 1. And now we're going to work the other side. So now we're just going to be doing 3 half double crochets into these centers of these clusters. So 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
we are at our last one. All right, and now we are going to chain one. And now this is going to be the 1 row repeat now, starting now. And you see that you're going to have 3 posts, 1, 2, 3. You're going to go around the center post. So 1, 2, 3. I yarn over, we're going to do 3 half double crochets around the center post. So we're going to go underneath it, grab our yarn. That was 1. 2. 3. The next one. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Oopsies. And once you have it, I like to pinch mine, so you can just put your hook right through it. 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Right. Right, and now we've made it to the end. And you're gonna see that you had a chain 1 space right here. Right there is your chain 1 space. You're gonna go right in there, single crochet. Now you're gonna chain 1, and then it was a 1 row repeat, so now we're just gonna keep repeating. And then when you get to this very end, you're gonna do a chain 1 right in that little tiny hole. We got one more set. And we're going to find our chain 1. This is our chain 1 right there. The very end, single crochet, chain 1, and turn. And you can already start to see the pattern is starting to come through. The more rows you do, the more you're going to see your pattern.
I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Follow for more.